Good morning. So in this video here, we're going to look at this customized indicator, which is free to all the community members on Telegram. So if you're not part of the community, there is a link in the bio. You can join the community for free and get the indicator free as well. Now we want to look at the benefits of this indicator. This will be a short video just going over the overview of the indicator and how this indicator can actually help you. First of all, this is the 50 EMA. We learned about this in previous videos. Now we have a cloud. Your cloud is your support. So when price actually resting on the 50 EMA and makes a move up, you want to see a retracement into the 50 EMA and so on for a continuation up. When you don't see that example here, we've lost the a short EMA. You could look for a short position. How would you enter the short position? If you go to the indicator itself, we're going to switch on SFP signals and trap traders, and we can see if we go to a lower time frame like an hour. Let's go to an hour time frame, and we can see over here that we had sell signal here. We came up and we SFP'd this. We came back down and we have some buy signals to go back into the VWAP. And over in this area here, we came down, we SFP'd. SFP trades are very good because you can just take a quick scalp back into the cloud itself. And there's multiple signals here. You go over to a 15-minute time frame, and if you're day trading, a 15-minute time frame is very, very good. Look at some really good trade signals over here. I really ignore the small triangles, which are these triangles here, the one and the orange one, because for the 5-minute time frame. The S&P is good for 15 minutes. You buy here, you sell there. You short there, you buy there. If we go to the 5-minute time frame, for the scalpers, you can see that there's multiple SFP trades into the actual VWAP and also the 50 EMA as well. Now, if we go back over to a 30-minute time frame, we can see things look a little more clearer. Day trade. So we had a swing failure pattern here, came down. So you can actually enter a nice trade here by using this indicator. It's not a buy and sell indicator. It just gives you a reference. You can sort of target SFP there. So once you've actually come down here and you see this green arrow, that really is indicating to you that you should take some profit. That would be your stop loss protected. You let it continue. See that we did have resistance back in the 50 EMA. Okay, went above the VWAP but rejected. Came some buy signals here. These buy signals here that are in green are realistically for position trading. So you can enter different positions here long into the next SFP. Very easy indicator to use, very reliable, very profitable. So if you want this indicator, and one thing else I want to show you is, let's get these on, 7-day rolling VWAPs and delta estimated. Now for the delta lovers, we do have this estimation delta cluster, which actually shows basically we go over to like a 15, we can see that when delta actually goes negative, you can actually see that on that candle, enter on the secondary candle, trade here. Obviously, you know, we want to take profit at the actual 50 EMA. So very good indicator for those who want to do some day trading. Now let's look at the benefit of this swing trading. So what we want to do is turn everything back for a second. So I don't want to confuse anybody. Right, okay. So the only thing we're going to need now is daily VWAP. It's important. And we also going to need that and the support cloud. Okay, that's all you're going to need. You actually don't need the delta because that's only for scalping. Okay, and what we'll have a look at is we will have a look at the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we do have a bit of a consolidation here, and we are currently, this is being recorded on a Saturday, so you're not going to get much volume here, but we can actually see that we're in this cloud. So immediately this is going to be support. Okay, your support levels are there. Okay, resistance levels are going to be normally, I would say, well, let's just say 81k. Yeah, also take a long position here currently. I would be looking at one more thing. I'm going to go over to SFP, and we had two SFP signals here, yeah, which are a long position. Now we could come back in SFP once more for accumulation, for distribution. Very easy to. So there you have it. Basic custom indicator and help you and guide you through your trading journey. Works on crypto, indices, and everything. Have a great day. I'll see you.